Hi guys, my name is Kate. Before I really get into introducing myself, video camera. I don't know if it's skipping on your end or not, but I don't know how to fix it, and this is the only way I can do it. Until I really get used to this and how to use it, this is going to have to be my video. A little bit, I live in Norwood. I graduated from Norfolk High School in 2013, and I still reside in the same house. I graduated with my bachelor's degree from SUNY, and I'm now currently getting my master's in curriculum and fifth grade teacher at Davis Elementary in Malone Central School District. School in the district. There's three of us. There's Davis, Flanders, and St. I have four other team members that teach fifth grade through 5 school, and then after us they will move on to the middle school. For subjects, I'm not departmentalized. We were trying to do it with our schedule, but I love being with my kids all day long. They're yesterday, so now I have 23. I'm really excited. I have a big class, but that means I have to do and I'm busy. But doing small group ELA with my kids that we can do, and they're into it too. They like to pick the books that they read, and I also like to, depending on the groups that I have, to be in this class because I want to see all the different books that I can read and study with them. Being a new teacher, it's kind of hard knowing how to read with your kids, and I'm excited to learn these. The kids really like it too, and I always have a novel in one of my groups, so I'm excited to see how it goes. If any of you want to reach out and email me, thanks.